welcome back to our channel. Long time no see. I'm sure you guys are being understanding for us not filming that much right now. I mean, maybe not for me, but for Julia. She's a mommy, she's a businesswoman, and she has a lot going on in her life right now. I mean, for me, I'm not sure which excuse I should use, but I've been through some things this couple months, so I was not in the mood for filming, let's say that. But I guess you guys already noticed that I have 3 boxes next to me, so I'm going to be unboxing. In this video I got a Dior bag, I got Hermes Birkin bag, which I'm sure you guys know how rare it is and how hard it is to get. So I'm so excited to show you that. And I got Hermes boots also. So yeah, let's start. I actually kind of missed this whole process. So I'm so excited, guys, to show you this gorgeous Dior bag I got today. Okay, I'm gonna go on and open. The first thing which comes here is the dust bag from the bag and some Dior book. I would show you. Let's see the bag. Girls, this is just crazy. How cute is this bag? Let me show you this. Cutie. It's matte in like this cute beigey nude color. I mean, I'm so obsessed with this bag. I will show you the charms that I chose for the bag. Here we go. It says Armin loves Christian Dior, or vice versa, Christian Dior loves Armin. You girls know that you can pick the charms you like from Dior when you buy the bag. So these are the charms that I like, but you can also pick any other charms. Colorful. I liked it a bit like shiny shines, so I took this one. So this bag is amazing. I don't know, guys, I'm so obsessed and I cannot wait to wear it today. Actually, I think it's matching my casual outfit. Why is it so dark? So I'm definitely wearing this bag today, even though I'm so obsessed with the Birkin that I got. That's the first bag, guys. Oh, I will show what's inside. It looks like that. It's a very soft leather here. I don't even know if Julia would be here, she would say what's the name of that leather, but I have no clue. So yeah, and you get some card here inside. Oh, okay. Oh, it's also a tiny little book and a Christian Dior card with, I think it's the bag's passport actually. So yeah, that's pretty much it. There's nothing else in the box. No, there's nothing else in the box that I could show you. Okay guys, the next purchase of the day are these, oh sorry, Hermes boots. I got so insanely dope. Look at them. I will open this. Here we go. Here we go. They have this cute whatever it is. I'm not sure if I should show you the other one. That's pretty much it. They're simple black, but for winter the best option, I think. They're so dope, so cool. I don't know, I love them. And what do you guys think? Do you guys like them, or you think they're too simple, or I don't know? And guys, my last purchase of the day, but not the least. Far not the least. Far not the least. It's my Birkin bag. First of all, you guys know how hard it is to get, okay? Like, girls are going for this bag for like, I don't know, so many times asking, and they're like, we don't have it, we don't have it, sorry. Even though this bag is not cheap, it's super expensive, and to get it, it's even harder than to get the money for the bag, you know what I mean? But I was lucky enough just to go once, ask for it once, and get it immediately. You know, I never went for this bag, like just with my friends. I went, they would always like ask for the bags, and the seller would always be, oh no, I'm not sure when we'll get it, but you can we can sign you in the waiting list, this and that. And I actually never asked for that bag. It happened to me from the first time, which is absolutely, I think it's not even rare, it's impossible to get it from the first time. I asked just once, and she got me the bag that I wanted. I don't know, guys, if you can believe that, but that's the exact bag that I dreamed about. The color, the hardware. I wanted Birkin in exact that color and in that hardware, because that is my first Birkin bag. So yeah, let's open it. Let's open it. You guys, first I'm gonna tell you what's in the box. There are 2 raincoats. Also, the documents for the bag, not much. And here is the bag. I told you it's a Birkin already. It's black Birkin with gold hardware. You guys, look at this cutie. Wait, I'm gonna take this off. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Here we go. I think in winter time this bag is going to be the only one I'm gonna wear, because it's a black, it has gold hardware, so I can wear it every day. The size is amazing. This is Birkin 35. The size is amazing, so I can fit a lot of stuff in it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know I'm not the best in talking and in general doing YouTube videos, but yeah, and I didn't do it for a while, so I think I already even forgot how to do these YouTube videos. Actually no, I didn't even know from the beginning how to do that YouTube videos. Yeah, I think I'm the worst in it. I don't know what to show. Probably some people would show more, but I have no clue, guys. I have no clue. If you have something to say, just say in the comments. What did I skip? Did I have to show more? Yeah. So these 2 cuties I got today. One cute Dior, with Armin loves Christian Dior. And Birkin. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And yeah, lots of love and kisses.